Hello, my name is Thomas and I'm in charge for the digital ecosystem and engineered parts and solutions. One of our unique selling points of the HANNOVER Messe is in comparison to our competitor events that visitors and exhibitors can grab and feel the complexity and innovation power of the all-in-all value chain within the industrial production. Designers and engineers from the automotive branch, from the manufacturing or aerospace will find IT solutions and integrated processes in the halls of the digital ecosystems. And the look and feel of the final product or the element will be present in the hall of the engineered parts and solutions. We live in a period time of manufacturing. Industry 4.0 has elevated us to a new level of productivity, to a new level of innovation, and to a new level of intelligence that enable a flow of data into insights, to actions, to outcomes. And both areas must find solutions to the current problems we have. For example, sustainability, secure supply chain, or to manage an innovation warehouse management system. We have a huge range of highlights inside the digital ecosystem and engineered parts and solutions, and I will highlight three. On the one, we have the industrial 5G arena, where in a realistic 5G environment, visitors and exhibitors can experience 5G showcases in combination with a stage and an audience. The second one is our industrial IT security circus, where life hacks and phishing attacks take place. And the third one is a special product for our engineered parts and solutions, the Lightweighting Summit, our high-level summit for lightweighting topics within the industrial production. That's all from my side. Thank you very much. I'm glad to meet you at HANNOVER Messe next April.